Hey guys, welcome back to Adam's Garage 101. So the last video I talked about this here, and then I troubleshooted about the windows not coming down. I troubleshooted and I said it was the harness. This video is gonna be a little bit different. I'm probably gonna end up doing kind of a play-by-play, blow-by-blow on what I'm doing, because this is really time consuming and I really want to get it done today. So I'll be, try to walk it through as best I can. I'm going to dip in and out of the video. So first things first, this panel's got to come off. Obviously you got to take that off, take the flathead, you pop it out. You got to pop this little corner here with a flathead, and then pop this. You get a flathead in there and that pops out. There's screws in here. There's a 10mm screw in here, and that funky looking screw I'll show you after I pop them two out. I'm going to pop this out. That's self-explanatory. These two I'm going to show you, and then we'll go over how to get this whole entire panel off. And I'm going to keep hitting back at you on and off here in the video. Like I said, I'm going to dip in and out, so the video's, going to dip in and out here. Okay, I'll catch you guys in a few minutes. Okay guys, so we're back. So I got the door panel off. Obviously there's little clips and it pops off. You want to be careful when you take that I showed you for the handle. There's 10mm up there where the handle used to be, and then there's just a regular screwdriver, regular Phillips screwdriver, and then there's that funky little shaped, I don't know where I put it, right there, and the panel's right here. So you just want to get a flathead, and you got to take this off. The handle, there's like two little clips there. They press them and they come off, but just want to be careful. You don't want to break the clips there. All right. I'm going to continue on. I'm going to start disconnecting everything. I got to disconnect this. There's a couple ones back in here. I'm going to try taking, there's two back here. I'm going to try taking them out without taking this whole thing out, because I take this out, this window's going to come down. So I'm going to try to get it without taking this plastic panel out. And I got to see, obviously I got to disconnect all this wiring harness, this nonsense. Everything's all connected. Okay, catch you guys in a few. Hey guys, I'm back again with another little small smidget video. So I got pretty much everything all disconnected. I got over here, this over here disconnected, connected here. So pretty much everywhere I got it disconnected, there and everything. I just up in here, I might have to take this panel out. I really don't want to, because I got one way back here I got to disconnect, and then after that the whole harness that's done, it's out, and I can put the new one in. All right, we'll catch you in a few minutes here when I'm assembling the new harness. Okay guys, catch you in a few. Hey guys, here I'm back again. So I got it all out. This one way up there was the biggest pain in the butt. That took me about almost an hour to get it out, wiggle and get it out. So now the wiring harness is completely out. There's the one I got from the junkyard. I'm gonna put it back in here, and yeah, let's see what happens. Okay, catch you guys in a few minutes. All right. Hey guys, back one more time. So this is the finished product. They all snap back in. This side, you got the black clip, white clip, you match them together. This down here, I couldn't get this locked in place, and I was swearing, cussing up a storm and everything, and then come to find out, I forgot that screw like a dumb idiot. So then I pushed it in, stuck the screw down there, everything went in. I got to put the bolt down there, and that's it, and push that down in. And the best part is the window, goes up and down now. So that solved the problem. So that's all I got for you today, guys. I really hope this video helped you out with, if you're having this problem like I was, with the window won't go up, won't go down unless you open up the door. It goes up, which is super annoying. So if you're having this problem, go down the junkyard, get yourself a wiring harness like I did, and voila, it works again. Okay guys, I will catch you on the flip side. Thank you for subscribing and everything, and watching my videos. All right, catch you guys later. How about that? The door is shut and now it opens and it closes. It's awesome.